What's good, y'all? So I'm at the LKQ in Chicago. We got a Chrysler here. 5th Avenue Edition, they say on here. I'm a youngin', so I ain't sure exactly what this is, but I got a 72 Pontiac Granville, and it's red. Not the same red as this, but somewhat kind of the same. My red is a little bit lighter. It's like a cardinal red. This is like a burgundy, kind of a little darker. But what I wanted to show y'all was pretty much my thoughts on this and why this is at the yard, and actually what this is. So like I said, I know it's a Chrysler, but that's all I know about it. And it say 5th Avenue Edition on the side. This front end, like I said, everything looks nice. Look, you got the whole right side of the car, passenger side of the car. Look, man, fender, everything is perfect. It's like not even, the paint ain't even scratched on here. If this is the original paint job on this, this is crazy. But got the spoked rims, like the hubcap's missing though. Even like this, the trim, the tire moldings, a little dent right here, but other than that, like, that's perfect. No rust, nothing. Side emblems. You got the mirrors, the doors. You got the lower trim. Back tire molding trim back here. This is the thing that really gets me, the hard top. But this is metal, just a little dinged up. Got a few dings and dents there, but to me that's minor. Like I said, look at the molding for the windows. No rust, nothing. It's still stainless steel. Perfect, no scratches, nothing. All of this is perfect. And on the windshield, look, perfect. This is perfect, y'all. Windshield wipers, perfect. Look at that, yo. Perfect, bro. All of this stuff is perfect to me. And, you know, the bumper on the line, like this bumper, perfect. This can be fixed. Tail lights, all of this stuff is intact. You know, it's not cracked, it's not broken, it's not nothing. Whoever had this car kept it in order, or whatever the deal was with it. Got a few valve cover gaskets, more gaskets there. I don't know. This trunk intact. Like I said, this looked like the original paint. Got the VIN number there. But yeah, y'all. And then the real damage, you come and it's over on the driver's side of the car. So like I said, it say 5th Avenue Edition. Like I said, look, the quality of this is also something else that gets me. It's not, like I said, peeling, breaking, fading, or nothing. As y'all can see, that's perfect. So that's one thing that, like I said, also is getting me of like, why is this out the yard? Other than this visible damage here, so this back quarter panel got a little damage here, tire molding, and then we got a little bit of rust and stuff here. But like, to me, that's little. You know, I'm not gonna throw something like this and get rid of something like this over, you know, minor stuff. So if this was in an accident, which it looks like it possibly was, only thing I can assume, like I said, I would have kept this and just worked on it over the years. Cause like, man, I'm gonna show y'all the interior in a second, but just look, like I said, you got damage here. I feel like these dents, all of this stuff could have been pulled out, or you could have found the door to replace or whatever. But like the trim, all of this stuff on it is perfect. Like I said, no rust, no mold, nothing. Got a little few dents up here, but that's nothing, y'all. Got the mirrors, all of this stuff looks OEM. Like I said, it looks like it's a 2-barrel engine. Everything on here is original. Like the OEM, everything looks OEM. Everything on it, OEM, y'all. OEM distributor. Back there looks OEM. There's another VIN number. It look like y'all can see that. That's the VIN number, baby. But yeah, like I said, here's the major damage I want to say. It's gonna be on this front part of the car on the driver's side. So, but again, you can see fiberglass bumper just cracked. Like I said, I wouldn't have got rid of this. Like I said, say you took everything that was bad off the car and fixed it. You still, like, it's just like a door, front quarter, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what to call it off the top of my head, y'all. Bear with me. But like I said, I would have just replaced this, the two doors, got a new bumper or possibly repaired it if possible. And yeah, but other than that, I don't know why this is here. And we even got Chrysler on the mirrors. But let me show y'all the interior so I can hurry up and get on out of here. Damn, it's like it don't even want to open. Yeah, it's like they crushed this or something yesterday. I don't think this looked like this. Something happened. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna come in from this way then, pretty much, like I said, show y'all what she looked like. Interior. Look at the door panels, y'all. All of this stuff is intact, just dirty. Nothing that major. Like I said, it ain't cracking, it ain't peeling, it ain't doing nothing. It's just dirty. So all of this stuff can be clean, but these panels is money, man. The whole door, this whole right side of this car is money, man. Like if I had oh, there it go right here. I ain't even paying attention, y'all. This is a 1987 Chrysler 5th House. Wow. I'm just slow this morning, y'all. 1987 Chrysler 5th House. I've been here since the 22nd. But yeah, let me show y'all the interior. I know that's what y'all want to see, but like I said, the door panels, all of this stuff is intact. Got the dome light covers. All of this trim in here is perfect. Like I said, look at the door step plates. These are perfect. All of this stuff needs to do is get cleaned up. And then you got stuff like this. This really just damage in here. Got headline tore up a little bit. Tore up in the back, falling, sagging. It's dirty. Y'all see the rear back there. All messed up. All messed up, yo. So we got the carpet floors. Yeah, the nasty, yo. But like, look at the back panels. The back door panels. All of this stuff is intact, yo. It's all intact, y'all can see. Seats, dirty, all of this stuff. Like I said, it can still be clean. Got the armrest here, slick and nasty. Can be clean. But this is the money maker right here, I want to say. Look at this dashboard, y'all. Look at this dashboard. All of this whole entire dashboard, I want to say, is money. There's ain't nothing wrong with it. It just need to be cleaned up. And no cracks, no peeling, no nothing, yo. Stereo is here. All of this stuff is OEM. AC unit, OEM. Got the gauges, OEM. Everything looks OEM. So y'all can see. So, just trying to show y'all everything. You can see all this stuff, but OEM, y'all. But what she got on her, I'm calling here a little bit more. It's kind of nasty. I ain't want to. Got 85 on the dash. And got cruise control. Got the window switches, all of this stuff. And then, like I said, you just got damage here. But everything else seems to be in this car, y'all. And that's the peacemaker. Because this is money, like I said. So, LKQ in Chicago, y'all. If y'all looking For a project car, y'all might be able to get this one. And like I said, in my opinion, I'm a youngin'. So I'm talking off what I know. And it's a good piece of work right here. All you need is, you ain't gonna need nothing. It's just gonna be a little project. You know, you can tell, like I said, what you need. And potentially, like I said, work on this and get it done. But this is a nice car. Like I said, 1987 Chrysler Fifth Ave, LKQ in Chicago. Thanks for watching. I'll hit y'all with another one.